Hey guys, it is Julie Willits, your nanopreneur here, and I just wanted to take a few minutes today. I did a Facebook Live yesterday, and of course I'm going to add the Facebook Live to this actual video, so you can take a look at getting a free product that I actually paid $97 for, and it is all about how to set up your Facebook profile, how to have your settings done properly, how to achieve more engagement with other people on your profile, and how you can actually use them to get interest in whatever you're doing or building connections and relationships so you can achieve your goals. So I wanted to put this out there for you guys, not just for, Facebook. It's for anybody that actually wants to learn how to do this. And, it's not rocket science. It's not that hard. And I'm just giving it away for free. So the only requirement I have is for you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a comment on whatever video that you choose. It really doesn't matter. And once you let me know that you have accomplished that, I will send you over the PDF document. And there is a YouTube video that I will be sending on top of that actually goes through some of the information that you're going to need for the training to kind of make more sense to you so you can actually see it live in action. So, I hope you're having a great day. I'm actually here folding my information, stuff in envelopes for Impact Mailing Club, because I think this is something that is so easy, everyone can do, and you're able to go ahead and do this on your own time. You get your leads mailed to you. And Impact Mailing Club is also just announced for people that are in the Diamond member club that they will be sending out 500 postcards. That includes the postage for the postcards, and they're already addressed to the leads. So all they have to do is put a return address label on there and they're ready to go. So you're right out of the gate, you've got a lot of momentum going out there. So I will see you guys on the next video. All the information here will be in the description below the video. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Leave me a comment, subscribe, like the video. It's all good. Okay, you guys have a great weekend and be safe out there. All right, bye now. Hey guys, it's Julie. How's it going? Your nanopreneur. Anyway, I promised you I would do a free giveaway with a live video today, and I just wanted to put this out there. I want everyone to be able to succeed online and doing what they're doing, regardless of what it may be, what business you may be in. And I know that you have seen many people state that they have the actual information about Facebook engagement, right? So what I want to do is, yes, and I did pay for this course, and you know what? I want to share it with everyone. It cost me $97, but if this is something that you want to be able to actually, get involved with and learn how to do this, I'm going to give it to you free. All you have to do is message me, and I will get that information to you, and that's all you have to do. I'm going to actually ask you to do a couple things, which is going to maybe take you 10 minutes. That's all. It's going to take you 10 minutes, and you're going to get a $97 product absolutely free into your inbox. So go ahead, and if this is something that is interesting to you and this is something that you want to actually improve your engagement on Facebook, have your profile set up properly, then that's all we need to do, right? People are using Facebook to improve and enhance their business on a daily basis. So I want you to be able to have that, and I'm willing to share it to you for free. And I want you to have a great holiday weekend, and I will see you guys on the next video. I know it's been a long time since I've actually done a live video, and you know, we all get caught up in what we're doing and life happens, but I'm here and I want you to reach out to me if this is something that you would like to go ahead and have, so you can actually learn what to do. This is not my product. Actually, the person that started this product that I bought it from, it was not her product. It was actually given or copied or enhanced by somebody else, and I'm not going to mention their names, so just shoot me a message and then we'll see what we need to do from there and what I'm going to ask from you to go ahead and receive this information for free. Have a great weekend. Love you guys. Bye now.